Good afternoon and good evening to everyone. Thank you all for joining for the session online webinar as a part of our exhibition opening the faces, the season of portraiture. So
now we have Varsha Sajunayar.
Yeah.
Hi, Varsha.
Hi. Very good evening to all. So first of all, I'd like to thank Artful Gallery for giving me this opportunity to be present here amongst all of you. My name is Varsha and I'm an Indian student studying in Delhi Private School, Sharjah in the 11th grade. I have displayed one of my works titled Exquisiteness here, and this is one of my first acrylic portraits. It was a very proud and touching moment for me when this artwork was exhibited at an event, Family and Tolerance, to commemorate the Year of Tolerance 2019 during the conference on the family's role in consolidating the values of tolerance at the Emirates Palace in Abu Dhabi. So coming to the painting, I created this using acrylics, and I tried to portray a lady who was confident and very bold. So we all know that oppression against the Black community has been taking place for a very long time, and that's not right at all. Although we do see a huge difference now, the issue hasn't completely dissolved yet, and we still see many cases of racial discrimination. And I'm pretty sure most of you are aware of cases such as the case in Chicago, where Rosebud Restaurants agreed to pay $1.9 million to resolve a racial discrimination lawsuit brought about by the EEOC, which is the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, which is based off in the US, against 13 restaurants in that area who were sued for refusing to hire African American applicants. And then we have the George Floyd case, which was streaming across the news, which brought a nationwide, international-wide protests. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, and it's honestly heartbreaking. So the only way that I could do something about it was to express myself through my works. So through this painting, I just wanted to slam that difference down, and that's the reason why I chose this beautiful figure. You can see that she carries herself with so much elegance. She has an elegant composure, even though the world is throwing spears at her, and that's what each of us should aim to be. So through her, I wanted to share that confidence, and I hope that someday in the future, the next generation or the generation after that can live in a world where racial discrimination was just something in the past. And I think all of us should aim to live in a world like that. So I hope you all enjoy my work and have a nice day ahead.
thank you, Varsha. Thank you for your explanation. Very well explained.